Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your wireless PS4 controller, or PlayStation 4 controller as I should say, which is the proper way of saying it, your wireless PlayStation 4 controller to your computer wirelessly. So first what you want to do is, the bottom left of your screen there will be like a little Windows sign, or on your keyboard there will be like a little Windows button, like a little key that shows the Windows sign. And you can click either one. I'll just click the key, and then when you see right here it says, oh wait, you can't see my finger. Right here it says type here to search. Just type in Bluetooth. So if you don't know how to spell it, it's BLUETOOTH. Then it'll say Bluetooth and other device settings. Click that. And then Bluetooth will probably be off for you, but if it's on for some reason, do not turn it off. Just keep it on. But in my case, it's off. So I'm going to click right here where it says off. This little like switch thing. And then I'll click it, and now it's on. Now I want to click right here, add Bluetooth or other device. Click that. Click right here, Bluetooth, mice, keyboards, pens, or audio and other kinds of Bluetooth devices. Click that. Then I'll say add a device. Now this is the step where you want to actually turn on the PlayStation button. So you want to hold down the PlayStation button. Hold it down. I already did this, so I don't want to do it again. I might like mess something up. Then you'll see like wireless controller or controller or something. Probably say like controller or wireless controller. You want to click that. And then it should connect and say like your controller, or like Windows setting up your device or your controller or something. Just click yes, okay, or anything. Never click no. That might cancel the whole entire installation. Or I mean, no, not installation, but connection. So just click keeping yes, or just keep clicking yes. And then after you click yes, you can just like cancel and close out of all this. Minimize out of all that once it's connected to Bluetooth. Then you just want to click on. So what you have to do now is go to my description of this video, the description. Download Input Mapper. It'll be in the description. It'll say Input Mapper, and then there'll be a link, and you want to click the link and download it. It's safe. Everyone does it who uses controller on computer. Everyone. So then once you installed that, you want to open Input Mapper. And then under home right here, it says profile, so I want to click that. Then click new profile. Then once it's like that, you want to hold down the PlayStation button. Your light should blink blue. At the bottom right, you'll see a little pop-up saying exclusive mode tool ran. Please power on controller again. Then when you see that, you just want to hold down the button again, and it'll turn on again. Now, all those pop-ups you see at the bottom right means it's connected, so you can just, don't close out of Input Mapper, don't click the X, just click minimize. And don't worry about those pop-ups, guys, those aren't viruses, those are just telling you that it's connected. Now, let's just go to like Fortnite or something. Now, let's see if the controller worked, and it worked. Just like that. The controller works on games. So, yep, that's how you connect your wireless PlayStation 4 controller to your computer. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, comment a nice reply or a nice comment, and subscribe. And have a great day. Bye.